हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका लर्न स्टेनो विथ रोशन चैनल में। आज की डिक्टेशन है स्पीडोग्राफी वॉल्यूम 1। डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज होगा 1 और 2। यह डिक्टेशन खास तौर पर एसएससी स्टेनोग्राफर ग्रेड सी एंड डी के लिए होगा, जो कि 2026 एग्ज़ाम के जो भी स्टूडेंट्स तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट होगा। तो अपनी स्टेनो नोटबुक और पेन या पेंसिल तैयार रखिए, अपनी स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी पर ध्यान दीजिए और मेरे साथ पूरी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना समय गंवाए शुरू करते हैं आज की 80 वर्ड पर मिनट ट्रांसक्रिप्शन। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 5 सेकेंड में। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। 5, 4, 3, 2, 1। मिस्टर स्पीकर सर, I am really grateful to the members who participated in the debate. The discussion on the demand of the ministry took place for more than 8 hours. During the debate, very important issues were raised and suggestions were made. Though the debate was serious, it was to some extent delightful too. The issues raised and the suggestions made were many, and as many as 52 members spoke. Suggestions were made by some members regarding the nationalism of rivers, the subject of water to be kept in the current list of the development, the formation of a national water grid, and criteria for deciding whether a river basin is a surplus or a deficit basin. Some honorable members suggested that there should be a ban for 5 years in the major and medium irrigation projects, and only the potential that has been created should be utilized, and all efforts should be made in that direction. There were many other things which the honorable members referred to in regard to their towns. Mostly they referred to the general issues. They pertained only to the regional issues and particularly to the issues relating to their areas. If we took the overall picture painted by various members in their local areas, a national picture emerged. Members have criticized the delayed clearance and starting of the projects, and also about funding in certain aspects. Members demanded that certain projects should be treated as national projects. There are also allegations made by some members about the corruption and the final stage by the engineers in certain projects. Grave references were made to the lag in the potential created and the potential utilized with huge investments and managements. There were references with regard to floods and droughts and their management, the money spent by way of relief and comment measures, waterlogging by misutilization and misuse of water, and excess use of water. They suggested certain steps with regard to the forest area development and lapses and gains. Some friends also referred to the water rates and their recovery by the states but amongst the serious issues that were raised, one was for resolving of the pending disputes. Stops. फ्रेंड्स, इसी के साथ डिक्टेशन खत्म होता है। डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, और इसी तरह अगर डिक्टेशन चाहते हैं तो चैनल